Lakme Fashion Week, where ace designer Sabyasachi Mukherjee displayed his creation at the Lakme Fashion Week in Mumbai. We spotted Bollywood beauties Vidya Balan and Sonam Kapoor, who made an appearance to cheer the designer and definitely bought in the glamour quotient. First, we caught up with the man of the hour Sabyasachi Mukherjee and asked him to tell us more about his collection.
This time what I did was I travelled through all the tribal regions of India, Kotpad in Orissa, and Dastagar in Andhra Pradesh, and Bagru in Rajasthan, and just brought together collections and wanted to do a collection in Khadi, which was edgy, which a contemporary young Indian woman would wear.
Almost all the designers at the fashion show have used Bollywood celebrities as their showstoppers, except you, Sabya. We find celebrities only on your guest list. Why is that?
I always believe that actresses should come to see beautiful clothes and models should walk in them. I think that's the way it should be.
Hey, that makes sense too. Now, Sabya, your last year's collection too was traditionally Indian. And this time too, your entire theme is based on khadi, which is a typical Indian fabric. Why is that?
Well, I don't have blonde hair and white skin. I'm happy to be an Indian, and that's why I want to show Indian clothes.
Way to go, Sabya! Vidya Balan added elegance with her presence at the event. We asked Vidya what she finds most special about Sabya's designs.
यही बात कि जिस तरह से वो इंडियन कपड़े इंडियन महिला को सजाते हैं अपने कपड़ों से, I think very few are able to do it. और बहुत there's no element which is really screaming out. It's so understated. It's almost minimalistic. And even when there's so much happening, you feel like there's not much happening. That's the beauty of Sabya.
And which one of the entire collection was your favorite, Vidya? The one you liked best?
I can't think of a single thing. There were. I am of course a big fan of black. So the blacks really enchanted me. The accessories, the huge accessories, the potlis, and there was one that Netra was wearing in white khadi. I think it was unbelievable.
Sonam Kapoor turned heads as she came dressed in a Sabyasachi black gown and had the best things to say about the designer.
Sabya जो है वो मेरी बहुत ही जिगरी दोस्त है. वो बहुत ही खूबसूरत डिज़ाइनर है. उन्हें टेक्सचर्स, फैब्रिक्स, एम्ब्रॉयडरी, इंडियन गारमेंट्स के बारे में बहुत जानकारी है. वो वेस्टर्न और फ्रंट लाइन बहुत खूबसूरती से बनाते हैं और उनकी खासियत ये भी है कि वो इंडियन क्लोथ्स भी बहुत ही खूबसूरती से बनाते हैं. So in that sense, I think Sabya is one of the most original and fantastic designers out there. That's why I'm here to support her.
Now let's take a look at Sabya's refreshing collection, where Sabyasachi stuck to what we know him best for, understated and simple, as he showcased detailed work in breathtakingly beautiful earthen colors. Take a look.